Hi, my name is David. Welcome back to my channel, where I share all things finance, business growth, and success. Today, we're uncovering the hidden income streams that successful entrepreneurs don't always talk about. These are the behind-the-scenes income engines, the ones that run quietly in the background but generate thousands, sometimes millions. So if you're serious about building financial freedom, you'll want to take notes. And of course, everything I mention is linked in the description below: tools, platforms, and how-to guides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because success leaves clues, and I'm here to share them with you. Number one, licensing intellectual property. Smart entrepreneurs don't just create products, they license them. Things such as software, training material, music, designs, anything that others can reuse or resell under agreement. For example, a business coach might license their course to other coaches, or a designer might sell branding kits to agencies. This means you create once and earn over and over. Passive, scalable, and very under the radar. Number two, equity deals and silent partnerships. Successful entrepreneurs often invest in other businesses behind the scenes, either with money, skills, or network, in exchange for a percentage of profits. You won't see their name on the storefront, but they're earning quietly every month. This is how some influencers and online personalities are connected to 10, 20, or even 50 businesses, with zero day-to-day management. They start by offering strategic value, like marketing, traffic, or branding, in exchange for a small stake. The third hidden stream, affiliate ecosystems. Everyone knows about affiliate links, but the pros build ecosystems around them. They create blogs, YouTube content, email funnels, and social media guides that all point to high-ticket affiliate offers. For example, promoting business software that pays $100 to $500 per referral, or building a niche site that ranks on Google and sells digital tools. Once built, it runs 24/7. And trust me, some entrepreneurs are pulling in 5 to 6 figures a month doing just this quietly. Number four, paid communities. Entrepreneurs are creating private spaces where they charge a monthly fee for access to value. Things such as mentorship, templates, deals, networking, or niche coaching. Platforms like Circle, Discord, or even a simple private Facebook group with Stripe or PayPal checkout can generate steady recurring income. The beauty? It grows with your brand, and your time investment stays low with the right structure. Finally, audience data and insights. This one's hidden in plain sight. Successful entrepreneurs know that attention equals data, and data equals dollars. They build audiences through newsletters, social media, or communities, and then monetize that through ad placement, brand deals, customer research, or market insights. Even anonymized, non-personal data, such as purchase habits or survey results, can be sold to companies or used to launch products that hit. If you own the audience, you control the income stream. So let's recap. The most successful entrepreneurs are often making money through licensing their content, owning equity in other businesses, building affiliate ecosystems, launching paid communities, monetizing audience data. These streams don't require fame, just strategy, systems, and a value-first mindset. Want to dive deeper? I've listed all the tools, platforms, and beginner-friendly resources in the description. Check those out after watching this video. And hey, if you got value from this, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's building their business right now. Drop a comment below. Which of these hidden streams of income do you want to try first? Thanks for watching. Now go build something powerful, and I'll see you in the next one.